Bung was arrested earlier in January 2024 for holding a placard sign in public asking people's thoughts on the Thai monarchy, with authorities accusing her of breaking the Royal Defamation Law or Article 112. Why did Bong go on a prolonged hunger strike then, despite the risks to her health?
Bung's decision to go on a hunger strike has to do with the fact that the right to bail of political prisoners in Thailand has been consistently denied by the Thai judicial system, especially in cases where the detainees have been accused of violating Thailand's draconian lèse majesté law. In this specific case, Bung decided to go on a hunger strike in order to demand for two things. Number one, reform of the justice system, and number two, that political prisoners not be incarcerated for holding and expressing different political opinions.
As Bong was part of the broader 2020 protests in Thailand, why are more Thai youth starting to become more disillusioned with the Thai monarchy?
Back in 2020, a youth led pro democracy movement swept the country. And one of their demands, in addition to the resignation of then Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha, who came into power after the 2014 coup, was reform of the Thai monarchy, whether billions of Thai baht should be allocated to the monarchy, whether when it comes to constitutional amendment, improvements ought to be made in order to make the Thai constitution more democratic.
Amid Bung's death and the international attention this has brought, what now are the demands of the democracy and human rights movement activists in Thailand?
Bung's passing is yet another evidence that the problem of political prosecution, the problem of the use of less majestic law to silence political dissidents, continues under the new Pheu Thai-led government coalition. That's why we think people's amnesty, granting amnesty to individuals who exercise their right to freedom of expression, is the only way out of this cycle of political prosecution. And we hope that the government will take our call for people's amnesty seriously, and that any amnesty we receive in the future will include less much as an offense to be for which amnesty shall be granted.